Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to learn about our new topic that is called a bug testing tool. Okay, this is a bug testing tool. This is one of the AI type of tool. Not AI, it is one kind of recording type of tool. Okay, very simplest and easiest way while we are doing for some POC part for some AI tool. That time we found this particular tool. It's easy, like if you see for test trigger or test IM, functionize, a similar kind of this. Okay. One second. That's bug io. Okay. This is a website. Okay. When you hit this particular one, bugbug.io, you can able to see test automation so simple your entry team. Okay. This is a one kind of end-to-end application regression time. You can able to do all kind of things. What it will give you? It's a low code and codeless testing. Okay. You can write the code or you don't want to write the code also. Okay. It will provide for low code or you can able to say codeless as well. This design that web applications. Okay, it enables the user to technically and non-technical member to can they can able to create test case and they can run the test case and they can manage automation test without any writing for code. Who can able to do? A technical member and non-technical member both the can able to do this one. Okay, we can able to create end-to-end end-to-end testing or we can able to create for regression and you can do for functional testing. All this we can able to achieve. This is launched on 2019. Okay, this released. Okay, now it is just like a startup companies and all they are using right now. Maybe in the future you can able to see most of the companies also they can able to use this particular things because rapidly increasing the members slowly. Okay, they are supporting for big companies, small companies and all. You can able to request them like here it is there. After sign up you can do or you can do for demo request and you can see the pricing plans and everything it is there. What are the solution they are providing and questions you can able to ask in the products also they are providing test regarding why choosers and integration documentation everything they are providing even roadmap, and if you want to book a demo they can able to book the demo also. Okay, and what are the key features it is there? A key features wise if you say a code less test. Okay, for this we are going to use for recording feature. Okay, recorder we can able to like a Selenium ID is there, right? Selenium ID you are going to record and you are running and you are converting into some other places to run and all, right? This is not required here. You can able to easily use it in the same place and in installation and all is not required. Is completely one kind of Chrome extension plugin. Okay, you can able to use the Chrome plugin and you can able to start working on that. Okay, and second one is unlimited local test runner. You can runs in your local unlimited times. There is no limitation on that. And another one is cloud test schedule. Okay, you can able to run inside the cloud also. You can able to schedule your test cases hourly base, daily base, or any deployments. If the any dev team is deployed something into the QA environment, you can able to do it. Okay, and another one is CI/CD. C CI/CD. CI/CD integration also you can able to do easily by using our GitHub, Jenkins, and you can able to GitLab, and you can able to Bit. Bitbucket, and you can able to do all the places. Okay, if you need Azure DevOps integrations, you need to raise some requests. They can able to help for integration as well. Okay, and another one is we can able to use for reusable component. Reusable components. Reusable components means you can able to create a modular test shapes and reuse them into multiple places. Example like a login application is for required for all the test cases. No need to do all the times. You can able to create one module, particular that code, and you can access into all the locations. It is easy to use. Okay. And another one is custom JavaScript. Custom JavaScript we can create. Okay. Custom JavaScript we can create in that particular location. If you need any coding, you can able to write. Okay. And another one is smart auto scrolling and real cursor simulations. Like scrolling time, you need to check the scrollings and all, right? Those all the things we can able to do. And real cursor moves, like cursor moving actions and all we are doing, right? Those all actions it will do. Okay. And also we can able to get for another one is alert and report. You can able to get for email alert, a Slack alert. Zipper is there, one more is there, that whenever you want to get test cases failed or pass, if you want to get some alert, you can able to get it. Only you want only for failed cases time, then you can able to get it. And also it will convert into a PDF format and you can able to use it. Okay. And another one is unlimited free users. You can able to collaborate with the unlimited users. Unlimited users you can able to collaborate. Okay. Built-in and customized variable is there. Okay. Built-in and custom variables. You can able to create both the things like environment variables or something dynamically you want to verify. Those all the things you can able to do. Okay. Every day they are updating their things. Okay. These are the key features inside this bug testing tool. Okay. And another one is why using this bug. Why means basically say you are writing some technical code, sometimes it will fail. Then again you need to face some issues, again you need to modify. This is only one kind of like a recording feature. You can able to record how many times you can able to record it quickly. And also you can able to verify some text easily. And if you want to verify image, complete image you want, only for specific image you want, those all the things you can able to do it very easy. And speed of automation, in sprint automation, if someone is preferred, that moment this will give you, because when you are testing your application, that's the same time you can able to record it and store it easiest way. And time saving is very uh, presented. And cost of also is some free plans with unlimited local runs is there, and paid plans also it is there. Okay. But free plan it's up to 14 days. Previous in that they are giving 6 months, 1 month, 6 to 1 year it is there. Now it is they modified into 14 days. Okay, once you enroll only in the within the 14 days you can able to do it. Okay. If you want some offerables, you can able to see in the price plans how it is there. If you are getting see unlimited, if you want 7 days for test history, and see here they are providing for free also. Getting start with the zero for individual who want to start testing simple web apps, their browsers and all they can able to use for free. And if you want some paid versions, 99 for monthly base. Okay, this is a pro. and unlimited user, unlimited cloud runs it is presented. 299 unlimited user cloud runs. Okay, here some schedules is there and CI/CD integrations are there and BugBug CLI and customized JavaScript webhook and 1 month of test history. Okay, here is 2 months of history is there and schedule run every minute. Longer cloud runtime it is there. REST API access is there. Project customer support is there. Okay, whatever you want, you can based upon you can choose. Okay, once you are thinking like I just want to learn about this particular BugBug app with the free, then you can able to get it here. You can able to sign up with the email ID or you can able to use here Chrome extension. I'm going to use this one. Okay, if I click here, see it is automatically it is logging and you can say hi, sign up, whatever you want, you can take away. I'm going to use for some company name. Okay, you can choose for where you got it, like this particular one. Okay, I choose random values. Okay, and if you see here, you can able to get it from this particular easiest way. Okay, this is simplest one, and here how you can able to record and how you can able to store this everything we can learn into our next video session time. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.